This vehicle is a Fiat Ducato conversion by this company Ebacamp from Bydgoszcz, Poland. This one here, the asking price is just over 50,000 euros, although it's not new. It's done 32,000 kilometers, and let's have a look inside. So we have 5 seats around the table, and as always I can't see what the point of having that one there is. From my way of thinking, I'd have got rid of it and put something, get a bit of space. What it does have here, which is interesting, is got Webasto heating, which is a very good system in my opinion. Now coming in here, what we've got in the kitchen is one hob plus a smallish sink. We've got a microwave there, and I think you may have heard in other films when I think of microwaves. We've got the same fridge as I've actually got in my vehicle down there, the Waco. With the fittings, I must say, are very attractive. It doesn't quite look as other vans do. In my opinion that works, but you might think differently. Of course, it's all a matter of taste. Now coming through to the back down here, we've got a bed which is relatively small. Now if you like your partner, that shouldn't be a problem. If you don't, then it may well be. And you can see that the bed comes up and you've got more storage space down there, and I think this has been done very well. Now below we've got cabinets on either side using these sliders, which I've also just put into my van as well. One of the unfortunate things is, however, they didn't use a slider on the bathroom, which I certainly would have done. But the wet room, as you can see, it's pretty large. We've got an enormous, for such a small van, shower tray, toilet. It doesn't look as though it's being used at all. There's me in the window, in the mirror, sorry. Even got a mirror up here. And a convenient skylight in there as well, which sometimes means that you don't have to put the light on when you use the toilet during the night. So the lighting, I think, works really well, the indirect lighting. So that's been well thought out in my opinion. And I really like the way these things as well work. I think that's great. Now obviously it's a small van, and I think the bed has been particularly well thought out. Okay, people sometimes say they want more cooking facilities, but in a van this size, what do you expect? Actually it does have quite a lot to offer in my opinion. Fittings are really nice, they're a bit different. Yeah, I quite like this one here, and so this company builds them to order, and clearly they've given this a lot of thought. This is the camper caravan show in Nadaszyn, near Warsaw, 22nd of October 2017. So if you want to see more vehicles from here, please subscribe to my channel.